Hi guys, welcome to Forex Prodigy. Glad to have you here. We have a lot to look forward to this week. It's the second to last week of the month, and it's April, the week between the 20th and the 24th. So we're gonna have a pretty exciting week today. As you can see, I'm already on the British pound or the sterling and the U.S. dollar on the daily chart. All right, so you know, to be honest with you, it's kind of good to start out the week looking at your daily charts and even looking at your weekly charts to kind of get an idea of how the week is going to go. Sometimes, price can get to a very strong daily level, and that might actually start a trend for the rest of the week. So Sunday nights is very good to take a look at your charts and try to kind of get a feel for how the up and coming week is going to go. So I just decided to start this so you guys can actually start it with me if you like. You can join me, and every Sunday night I'll try to just give a brief overview of the situations that I'm looking at to start the week on Monday. So as you can see, I'm already looking at this nice pin bar that we have here. And as you can see, let's go back and look at this beautiful resistance here, and even better here. We like to see bars be very precise when it touches an area. And we have about 3 or 4 perfect touches to this area that are almost exact. And then we go back here and we also see some, a few of these bars hit this area to the pip. And so we like to see that happen. And our pin bar's tail is extending well above the old resistance, the old price flip. We see that the tail is extending well above that, and we also have price close very close to this level, and that's what we want to see in our pin bars. That allows us to have a very tight stop loss, which we'll put our stop loss just above this this high, and we'll look for price to come back down to the end of this previous consolidation area. I would like to point out the fact that when you have these daily bars like this, more than likely price will move down this way. So you knowing that this is a reversal bar can be very useful to you when you're looking at your 4-hour and 1-hour opportunities. So what we can actually do is bump down to the 1-hour, and we can see that we have these two bars, which makes our daily pin bar, right? And so as you go back and you see that you have resistance all over here. Well, what can happen sometimes is that price can go down to the middle of this area here. Price may actually get to this internal area, let's say. Not that we will want to trade in this middle area, but if we get a bounce back up here, price may indeed create another reversal confirmation in the form of a pin bar, or let's say even a bearish outside bar. And if you want to have a clarification on what those bars mean, go check out my video where I talk about the best price action for beginners. That was the last video. So price may come down here and come back up to this very strong daily level and give you a nice bar, and then you have another trade off the same daily area. So always it's very useful, I would say, to have your daily lines on your chart. So when you bump down to lower time frames, you can always use those strong daily areas as strong levels for your lower time frames. Okay, so even if you jump down to, let's say, the 1-hour chart, you can also use this this daily line, as a way to confirm your trades on your price action. Price may come down here again, bump back up here, and this is actually a daily level as well. And so it will give you more confidence when you enter your trade. Now let's go back to this daily chart. Last couple things I would like to cover. Now, once we get we have a couple ways that we can enter this. We can actually enter when this bar opens, or we can wait for it to retrace maybe up to this line and get in. at a tighter to tighten our risk, to have less risk on the table. So guys, here's just a brief overview of one of the trades that I'm looking at, and I went through. You see how many pairs I look at. This is a lot of pairs. This to me was the best out of all the pairs to start out on Monday. So let's get a good start to the week. Let's see how things go. Um, I also, while I was making this video, it came to me that I should actually make a video on how to use indicators. So I don't want to put that into this video. I want to keep it, brief with this video. But look forward to the next video. I'm going to come to you guys and I'm going to break down how it is that you use these different indicators, the MACD, stochastics, and even the EMAs. I want to break that down and be precise, especially for you beginners, because a lot of people make a mistake and they use these indicators as ways to know when to enter a trade. So I look forward to getting back to you guys on the next video. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great start to the week.